Hello, hi everyone. So I know it's only and only 1 month to go for your joining to IPS college. So today I will be explaining what is Diksharam actually looks like, what Diksharam is all about. So basically, Diksharam is the initial orientation phase where you will be going to your allotted classrooms or area. There are around 15 sections, so sessions can happen in seminar hall, auditorium, or any of the classrooms. That is LT. We say LT means lecture theatre. LTA, B, C, D, any of the lecture theatres. And in this way, we have 15 lecture theatres from A to P, I guess. Not I guess, it is from P till P. And classes timings, which subject will happen at what time, which classes, what will be the class name, everything will be uploaded in SIS. SIS stand for Student Information System, जहाँ पे आपका मेल आईडी एंड पासवर्ड will be given and you have all the access to open and check all the marks, all the notice, all the holidays. If you want any leave, you have to open that SIS, you have to get approved, you have to take out a printout. I will give each and every information there itself, and I will be attaching a screenshot जो हमारे टाइम पे टाइम टेबल था, so that you can get a reference. During our time, three sections were merged, and sessions used to happen in auditorium and in seminar hall. I guess only 2 to 3 sessions were allotted to me. And what actually happens there in Diksha Aram? Sessions are usually for 1 hour 15 minutes. It is not exactly the regular classes, it is more like introduction sessions. So basically, faculties will introduce themselves, explain the curriculums, and even share the rules and regulations, or talk about the placement scenarios, share the past students' experience, including the mistakes and students what actually made and how the students are actually doing in this time. And trust me, when you will hear those stories, you will feel like, who would even do this? But yes, of course, it is actually happens every year. So they will talk about the rules and academics too. And trust me, college is strict about rules. Even gate checking से लेकर hostel तक इतना चेकिंग नहीं होता है, बट पीपल गेट कॉट. नो वरीज, अब इतना कुछ मैं बता दूंगी यहीं पे, तो फिर वहाँ पे जाके यू वोंट बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. If I talk about more rules and regulations and the academics things, whatever they will be discussing in Diksharam, they even talk about number of classes per semesters and even the course structure. And faculty do introduce themselves by saying, I am the faculty of marketing, or whichever domain he or she teaches. You won't know which professor you will be getting in your section, but the course structure and the chapters and the theories will always remain same in the IBS Hyderabad or in Bangalore. In Diksha Aram, faculties do come and talk about placement scenarios, whichever companies are coming, which roles they are offering, which opportunities for both IT and non-IT background, even what skills are required, basic insights and the feedback whichever the faculties know, or the students who have provided the reviews, they will be discussing about that. Even we have a library session. Class will be allotted for the library session. You will be shown all around, rules will be explained again, with the proper dress code, like no sleeveless, no half pants, etc, etc. Whenever you will go for the library sessions, you will definitely get to know. Timings and the book sections will be explained. Whichever book, if you submit late, the late fines will be there, or something like fun activities classes. You will also have a yoga sessions, a fun break class. Trust me, every day you will get to meet new people, since many multiple sessions are merged together, and it will be a good time to interact with them or to build connections, the network. And the one more thing, some of you might carry the notebook. I did too. But honestly, it is not very useful at this stage. Once proper the classes will start, everything will be explained again and again. Basic exam structure they will be talking about. For example, every subject has 33 sessions. First test will held on 11th session. After completing the 11th session, you will be having first test of 20 marks. The second test will held on after completing the 22nd session, 20 marks, and the third session after 22 classes. The third exam will be like project and presentation, whichever time permits. And after completing the 33 sessions, the intern starts. People will talk about attendance हो रहा है यार, attendance sheet sign कर दो यार, attendance mandatory है क्या. To be very honest, attendance sheet pass ज़रूर होता है but attendance count नहीं होता है. It is like, it's like arrived in the campus, और मतलब एक मेंटेन करने के लिए लोग शीट रखते हैं. हमारे टाइम पे it didn't even count during Diksharam, and trust me, these 15 days are the best time to explore the campus. Mess and the campus are relatively empty because seniors nahi hai, seniors aren't there yet. Once the seniors are back to the campus, actually everything become more crowded. And if you're coming late, matlab if you are not coming on 15th and if you are coming late after 15th, no worries, you won't miss any classes. It's just some intro classes or sessions will be missed. Still try to come on time, मज़ा आएगा. Play जितना भी कोर्ट्स है, जितना भी सब कुछ है, आराम से खेलो. So yes, it's all about Diksharam. If you still have any doubt, drop message, comment. I will definitely help you out. And if this video really helped you, don't forget to like it and stay connected for more updates. Yes. And one more thing, you will even have a yoga day where you can actually chill out. 1 hour 15 minutes का I guess yoga होता है और उसमें हम लोग बहुत मस्ती करते हैं. So yeah, I will attach the video.
CPA's case pedology, PDA's dean,